boys are making us proud, not all over the country only, but all over the world. And it is time for you all now to step out of the portals of the school and step into the competitive world. And I pray to God to bless your efforts, and more importantly for you is to give your best efforts. And many times I have emphasized this already when I speak to you, that more than the results, the efforts matter. And always we should pray to God that give us all the energy and power so that we may put in our best efforts. And at the same time when we pray to God, we should always pray to God to bless our efforts, so that we may produce the best results that are expected from us. So may God bless you all with very good results. May you all achieve or overachieve what you are trying to target as percentage of marks in your board examinations. And today, when you pass out of the portals, when you are on the verge of passing out of the portals, I can very proudly say that you have been a very good batch. And I must thank you for that. So, today when we pass on the flag, we are passing on a legacy. And we expect, because tomorrow, when you grow big, maybe 5 years down the line, 7 years down the line, you should be able to look back at school and say, I am proud of the school. I studied from here. And it is a portion of that feeling of pride will always, the onus will also be, the portion of that onus will also be on you. There are many things to learn in life. और जो है हम जीवन में ना शिक्षा भी लेते हैं और विद्या भी लेते हैं। शिक्षा वो होती है जो हमें जो है सांसारिक दुनिया के लिए तैयार करती है। हम जो है यहाँ शिक्षा ग्रहण कर रहे हैं, हम अपनी किताबें पढ़ रहे हैं, फिजिक्स सीख रहे हैं। हो सकता है कल रॉकेट बनाएंगे, कल आप बिजनेस चलाएंगे, कल आप किसी का सर्जरी करेंगे, कल आप किसी कंपनी के ऑडिट्स करेंगे। और एक होती है विद्या प्राप्त करते हैं। विद्या प्राप्त करते हैं, विद्या वो होती है जो हमें मुक्ति प्रदान करती है। तो विद्या सीखने का टाइम अभी आएगा आगे। हम शिक्षा और विद्या, ऑल्दो हम हमेशा एक ही स्केल पे लेते हैं। हम शिक्षा की बात करें या विद्या की बात करें तो हम ज्यादातर यही बोलते हैं एक ही चीज है, लेकिन ये माइनर डिफरेंशिएटर है दोनों चीजों के बीच। बिकॉज वट एवर एजुकेशन वी रिसीव, आइदर वी रिसीव टू लर्न द स्किल्स ऑफ लाइफ or either we receive it to learn the purpose of life, and both are somewhat on the same ground but very similar. Facing the world tomorrow is not an easy job. Poem very popular poem. मैं सोचा आज अपना नैरेटिव देता हूँ उसको। जीवन के 7 सुख। पहला सुख निरोगी काया। Whenever I speak to children, sometimes I tend to ask them question. Beta, tell me what is the most precious thing in your life? Most precious. Somebody will tell me my parents. But they will come up with 10 different things. But I tell them, but all these precious things are secondary. The first most precious thing in life is your own body. आपको भगवान ने जीवन कैसे दिया? आपको शरीर देके। So if we do not take care of your body, you will not get anything. All your wishes, your aspirations, your dreams lie in a healthy body. So dear children, my first lesson today is make sure all your life on top priority you take care of your health. Second, दूजा सुख घर में माया। Although it is very difficult to give a narrative to this, because ultimately money is not everything in life. That you will understand later on in life. Again, what I am saying, like I told you in class 11 the day before yesterday, when we are passing out of school, when we are studying in school, when we are studying into college, एक ही चीज ध्यान रखनी चाहिए, अच्छा करियर बनाना, अच्छे पैसे बनाना। बाकी there are different phases of life to learn different things. अभी सिर्फ इतना सीखो। हमें अपनी स्किल्स एक्वायर करनी है। और स्किल्स एक्वायर करके क्या करना है, हमें अच्छा जीवन जीना, क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ। सैड बट ट्रू, क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ विल कम विद मनी, and your money will come from a good career, and your good career will come from good education. हमारे जीवन का प्राइम टाइम दो चीजों में जाता है, दो चीजों में, 20 साल की पढ़ाई और 40 साल की नौकरी, and you are done and dusted with most part of your life. So इस 20 साल की अच्छी पढ़ाई से 40 साल की अच्छा करियर मिलता है। तीजा सुत आज्ञाकारी, सुत आज्ञाकारी means the third is that your own children, although it is very early to talk, but when you will be getting married and having children, I will not be there to talk. So I expect you to learn, and what I have to say, listen to my narrative. It is every parent's dream to have an obedient child. First of all, you yourself should be obedient to your parents. Parents are something that give a lot and expect very little in return. Parents क्या expect करते हैं? आप उनका कहना मान लो, अपनी जिंदगी सुधार लो। कोई ये नहीं कहते मेरी जिंदगी सुधार लो, कोई पेरेंट ये नहीं कहता मेरी जिंदगी सुधार लो, कहता तुम अच्छे कर लो, तुम अच्छा पढ़ लो, तुम कुछ बन जाओ, तुम बनो, ये नहीं कहता मुझे बना दो। And tomorrow when you have your children, you will expect them to be obedient. But remember that obedience will come from you. It is like passing down a legacy. It is the kind of culture that you develop while raising a family. I clearly remember the words of Sri Revati Raman Singla ji. Revati Raman Singla ji was a very senior advocate, one of the first senior advocates of this town. And once he was speaking on the stage, school stage, on 26th of January. And I remember his sentence all my life, I will remember. And he said, the finest of the education can be received from the finest of the institutions. The finest of the education can be received from the finest of the institution, but your culture will come from your home. Chauथा सुख, पतिव्रता नारी. Okay, not talking about nari. When we say पतिव्रता नारी, it is talking about your spouse. Again, I will not be there when you are getting married to speak, but take my lessons right now. मैंने कहा था दो चीजें हैं जिसके साथ जीवन गुजारना पड़ता है, पहला करियर, दूसरा अपना स्पाउस. And if you are blessed by God, and if you have a good career and a good spouse, you are living heaven on this very earth. Okay, and more importantly, why should I be expecting only from the opposite person? Make sure you are a good spouse too. Out of you, पांचवा सुख स्वदेश में वासा. Because many of the times we have to step out of our homes to go out and earn. Tomorrow, in the beginning, when I started talking, I was saying today Colombians are making us proud, not only in India but all over the world. All over the world. So maybe you will not get to stay in Rudrapur to work, but maybe you can get an opportunity to stay in India. Today we should be thankful and grateful to God of living in a very, very progressive country. We are on the verge of becoming the third largest economy. And tomorrow you should be part of this growth by contributing, by staying in India, contributing to the growth of India by whatever means. Suppose tomorrow you become a space scientist. Tomorrow you are among the best. You might have a chance to go and join NASA, or you might get a chance to join ISRO. NASA might pay you crores, ISRO might pay you a few lakhs. But then the choice is yours. But it will give you two happiness. First of serving the motherland, and second of staying closer to your home. छठा सुख अच्छा पासा और राज में पासा. राज में पासा means that you are living in good society. First of all, that you have respect in the society where you live. Out of your good deeds, out of your achievements, you get respect in the society that you live. or company that elevates you. You live in good society, you will rise. सातवां सुख संतोषी जीवन. संतोषी जीवन means contentment in life. But it is very, very difficult to explain this line. To find contentment with what? To be content with what? Because I will never reach to be content with your dreams and aspirations. When we talk about contentment, we talk about being contented with materialistic things. You can be content with the car you have, but never be content with the dream you have. So संतोषी जीवन जरूरी है. You need peace in your mind. And peace of mind is removed when always we are in the rat race of seeing other people and comparing ourselves to them. Sometimes we demean our own achievements by seeing higher achievements of others. We forget how many people are below us. I am not saying that you do not strive to reach over there. You must always strive, because the first sentence I said, never be content with your dreams and aspirations. Never. But never compare yourselves with others. So I have tried to give narrative to this very small poem. For these are lessons in life very, very important. और मैंने ये पोएम क्यों चूज करी? क्योंकि ये नेट पे और हर जगह अवेलेबल है. आप गूगल पे सिर्फ टाइप करें जीवन के 7 सुख, आपको सबसे पहले यही पोएम मिल जाएगी. तो जब ये पोएम मिलेगी और आप पढ़ेंगे, आपको मेरी फेयरवेल स्पीच याद आएगी. और आप मेरा नैरेटिव याद रखिएगा. आप इन वर्ड्स को, as you mature, you will have your own narrative also. Whatever a person speaks might not be true for you or not always fit into your life. But you can always try to find relation. So tomorrow, always remember, 7 सुख जीवन के. I will just recite these 7 lines and then move forward. पहला सुख निरोगी काया, दूजा सुख घर में माया, तीजा सुख आज्ञाकारी, चौथा सुख पतिव्रता नारी. पतिव्रता नारी means applies to male also. पत्नी व्रता नर भी. ठीक है. पांचवा सुख स्वदेश में वासा, छठा सुख अच्छा पासा. अच्छा पासा मीन्स गुड कंपनी. और 7वां सुख संतोषी जीवन. Always remember the motto of the school: Gloria in excelsis, glory in the highest. Okay, glory in the highest. When do you get glory in the highest? When you do something that is best. I have always emphasized and advocated for the thought, and whenever I speak, I have many times said also, maybe to you also. So make sure that whatever you do your best, and when you do your best, you get the best. And that is what is glory in the highest. When you get the best result that you expect, there is no more glory higher than that. There is no more glory higher than that. So whatever you do the best you can. Again the thought of comparison will come in. So that is where discontentment comes in. Okay? So always try to uphold the motto of your school. Always remember, Gloria in excelsis. Just 2 lines before I walk off. ये दौर खत्म हुआ तो क्या हुआ? ये दौर खत्म हुआ तो क्या हुआ? एक नए खूबसूरत दौर की शुरुआत होगी. इसमें भी कुछ बात थी, उसमें भी कुछ बात होगी. God bless you all. Thank you so much.